Hello and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can download WhatsApp on your mobile. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells so that you don't miss out on anything new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Play Store on your mobile. Then on the search box, type WhatsApp. After that, you'll be able to see WhatsApp Messenger by WhatsApp LLC. Make sure that you are downloading this version of WhatsApp. Tap on Install. After it has finished installing, you'll be met with a similar interface to this, where you'll see the open button. Simply tap on it and WhatsApp Messenger will be opened. Select your language, tap on agree and continue, enter your phone number, tap on next, tap on yes again. However, if it's the wrong number, go ahead and edit it out. Then you'll be sent a verification code on your number. However, your phone might sometime automatically fill out this verification code. If you want WhatsApp to access your media, tap on continue. However, if you don't, then tap on not now and proceed. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. Allow WhatsApp to access your photos and media on your device. Now enter your username for WhatsApp, tap on next, and you'll be logged into your WhatsApp account, or if you created a new WhatsApp account, you'll be logged into your new account. Now just remember to install WhatsApp either from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Otherwise, you'll see an error message pop up and you'll not be able to use WhatsApp on your mobile due to the unofficial download of WhatsApp. So keeping that in mind, you can now install WhatsApp on your mobile. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.